Hey guys, it's Cher, and today I'm showing you how I made this really simple filming background with only 2 items. I think it looks really pretty on camera, and the lights give the whole background a really cool effect. Of course, you could also just do this for room decoration instead of using it for a filming background, but that's what I'm using it for, so... Anyways, if you want to see how I put this together, then let's get into it. First, I bought a set of warm white fairy lights online. There's a bunch of different colors you can choose from, like cool white, red, blue, multicolored, but I thought the warm white looked best on camera. Then I bought a sheer curtain set from Amazon, and I made sure to buy the extra wide set made for sliding glass doors so that it would cover my wall completely. I strung the lights up against the wall I wanted to use as my backdrop. You can use an actual curtain rod for this, but I don't do anything the normal way, so I just used some zip ties and a backdrop holder that I already had. Then, once the lights were up, I fixed the curtain over them. Also using more zip ties because I'm the master of DIY. What's cool about this set of lights is that they have different speed settings that you can play with and adjust them to, and even if I don't use the different settings when I'm filming, I still think it makes a really cool room effect in general for when the wall is lit up regardless. And yeah, like I said, I think it looks really cool to use as a background or just as a room decoration. It's really simple to do, and I linked both the lights and the curtain I bought from Amazon down below. If you like super simple, basic, DIY 101 videos like this that literally anyone can follow, then make sure to like this video so I know to make more. Also, subscribe to my channel down below before you leave, and click the bell notification so you know when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!